Today we're going to show you how to check out one player off of a table that has two players. As you see, table 4 is running and we have two players on that table. I'm going to click on the table and that brings up our review grid. At this point you can see that one of the players has an actual tab for $32.05 and the rest is table time, and the other player just has table time. So what we're going to do, I've already done so, I've clicked the box farthest on the left and turned it green, and that illuminates the player icons. At this point here I can hit the close button and that brings just that player to the collection screen. Now we can use the colors in the lower left hand corner here to change players status during checkout, whether we want to leave them on the table or not. But I wanted to show you how you can just check out one player without any of the confusion that might go along with clicking green, black, or red a tab. So I'm just going to hit collect and you'll see that we're left with just one player on this table.